Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: extension installed, permissions granted, and the target page loaded. First, click the tweak icon and choose your initial profile. This applies defaults instantly. Once done, make sure the extension can access the page resources. Without that, changes won't take effect. You will see quick toggles for common tweaks. Try one small change now to verify connectivity. This early validation prevents wasted steps later and helps you move confidently into deeper customization. You now move into the complex middle. Edit selectors, CSS rules, or JavaScript hooks to achieve the desired behavior. Use the live preview. This lets you see why a selector works or fails, so adjust specificity or timing as needed. Once configured, save changes to a named profile and apply it, then reload the page 1 to 3 times to confirm persistence. If something breaks, toggle individual rules off to isolate the issue. This step-by-step approach keeps changes predictable and reversible. You finish by exporting the profile and enabling autosync if you want cross-device consistency. Then, run final tests on different browsers or devices to ensure tweaks behave the same. This confirms robustness. If you encounter failures, first disable other extensions that might conflict, then clear the cache and retest. Often this resolves timing or resource issues. If problems persist, revert to the previous saved profile and reapply changes incrementally until the faulty rule is identified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.